I hope you all are fine. Today I will tell you how you can make these fish very easily at your home, and your kids definitely enjoy to playing with these fish. Okay, for making this fish you can use computer paper or a glaze sheet. You just need a square glaze sheet or a computer paper. Okay, now we start making. We just fold it from the half, then we just fold it again from the half, just like this. We have to make the trim creases. Now we have to divide its lower portion into three equal parts. We have to fold it in three equal parts. Make sure your distribution will be very careful and very equal. Now we have to turn this one, and now we make a square shape like this. Okay, after this we just turn the page and we just fold this upper corner toward the downward side, and we have this kind of shape after the folding. Okay, after folding this we have to fold this corner. We have to move this corner toward inside toward the center, and now we have to fold it, and now we again fold this corner toward the upside along this crease. Now we again move this corner toward the downward side like this, and we have this shape now. Okay, after making this we have to unfold the whole paper. Now we just turn these corners toward the outward side. These both corners should be moved outward side, and we make creases firm and sharp. These creases we have to make the creases very carefully like this. On the other side we have repeated the same. Okay, after folding this we have to make the square very clear. We make all the creases one side, so we can fold this paper very easily. We have to fold like this. We have to just fold like this. After making this shape, we have two flaps. We just turn the one from the upper, and we just turn the paper and move toward the upper side, the other one. Okay, now we just open it, and now we turn these corners toward the inward side like this. The other one will also be turned inside like this, and our fish is almost done. Our fish is done now. It's ready, and we have to place eyes over here. We just take a small piece of glaze sheet and we can just cut two squares. Okay, after cutting the two squares we have to make the eyes. We just take a marker and we just draw the eyeballs of fish. We just have to draw the eyeballs, and we just paste it on the fish. We just glue here, and we just paste the eye over one side and the other eye on the other side like this. Okay, our fish is ready now. It's very easy to make, and the little kids will definitely enjoy to play with this kid and to make this fish. Okay, I hope you enjoy the video. Please follow the steps to make this fish. Allah Hafiz.